In this video, I am going to install Java 21 on Windows machine. So basically, sometimes we have requirement like some of the softwares are not compatible with the latest version of Java like 23. Since I already installed Java 23, but some of the softwares like Artemis, those are not compatible with 23, so I'm going to downgrade to 21. So let me install this 21. So you can go to this Java download phase, and from there you can find the Java service standard edition like 21 something 0.7. Come down to this Windows section, you can see like one link is there like JDK .exe file. You can download this file. Once you to complete this download, you can see this file under the download. Since I already downloaded this file, so now you can go ahead for the installation. Before that, I can show you. Currently I'm installing, I already installed this JDK 23, it is showing here. So I'm going to install JDK 21. So simply double click that file and it will ask for the some of the yes and no. Click on yes. Then it will start the installation process. Click on next. Then it will by default select your program file JDK 21. Next. Then hopefully it will complete this installation. Yeah, it is completed. Then close this one. So since 23 earlier installed, so we are going to set the path to the 21. So let me go to environment, and here come to environment variable, and here you need to define one variable, that is Java home. So earlier it was pointing to 23, so let me quickly copy this path from this C program file and Java. Here 21 is there, and you can copy this path and update your Java home variable. Then click OK. Then double check your path. Come to path. Here edit. Yeah, here you can see one line you need to add, that is this line. First create like new, then you can add this line. I think I already added like Java home bin. So since my Java home is pointing to 21, so definitely pick the binaries from the 21 bin. Okay. So but there is one problem here, that the first one you can see when you install the Java, so that time automatically this path is included in the top of that file. So basically it is pointing to the latest version of Java. So in my system it is already installed 23, so that's why even I set this path to 21, but your command still pointing to your latest version of Java. I can show you that path. So if you come down this path like C program file, common file, Oracle Java. So basically this is a symbolic link. Let me show you this path. C program file, common files, and Oracle and Java path. Here you can see whenever you install using wizard, that time automatically those 4 files will be copied to this Java path. Okay, so they are pointing to the latest version of Java like 23 or something. Even though we installed 21, it's not pointing to that one. So you, in this case, the workaround is like, first thing is that you can delete this one, the first one, the Java path. Otherwise you can down this move down to up to this like Java home bin. Okay, so in my case I'm going to move down, or otherwise you can delete. Okay, let me move down and try. Let's see it's work or not. Yeah, so now your Java home, which is pointing to 21 bin, is like off, and this one is below that 21. Okay, so but this Java path is already pointing to 23, but this one is pointing to 21. Okay, let me save this file and try. Okay, and you need to, I think, reload that file again. So let me go to bash, git bash, and here you can check this Java version. Now you can see it is reflected like 21. Okay, but if you change this one, like in the environment variable, if you change this order, environment variable, go to path, edit. Yeah, so right now this one at the below of your updated one, if you change this one, if you move off, yeah, so now it's this the default one which is pointing to 23 is move off from your the latest to that are 21. Okay, so if I save this one, then your 23 will come. Okay, even though it is not in there, but it will come like 23. Let me try this one. We need to reload this file. Bash. So if I click this one, yeah, so now you can see 23 is coming. Okay, so as a solution you need to I mean move down those symboling link to your required path, then you can get the expected Java version in the command prompt. Yeah, that's it.